I think I'm ready. Probably. That's all my bike says. Although I almost bit it in a fucking big hole. Feet fell off the pegs and everything. Back. That was a big hill. Here, I'm gonna. Yeah, do you need us to come down, help you out? Here. Oh shit. All right. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. Whew. I got you. Do you need it over more?
Well, it's not up and down right now.
Oh.
No, it's straight up and down. Okay. Shit. Alright. What's my back tire on? We're good.
Well, we can push you too.
Okay.
So if you want to, let's start it and maybe try and walk it a little.
Yeah, walk it out of here a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, here. Okay. In first? Yep. All right. I don't know if you want to get on it now to have more control. And us pushing. Okay. What do you need me to do? Hold it up or?
No, just let it lean in a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Swing the leg over.
Yep, you're good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're rear brake, first gear. Go, 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 go. Power.
I got into first and I got into the problem. You have to keep it in first though.
Oh, fuck.